In need of high quality, affordable garage doors and installation services? Then why not choose Bullet Garage Doors? With 12 years of experience behind us, we provide the highest quality of work and customer services to our clients throughout Hertfordshire, Bedfordshire, Bedford, Milton Keynes, Watford and St Albans. We install a range of roller, sectional, retractable and automated doors from a broad range of well-established brands. For your peace of mind, all of our installations come with a standard 12-month guarantee. For more information or any advice, give us a call.